Hi, good morning. Today we're going to be starting with words lesson 3, activity A, blending parts into words. I'm going to say the parts of a word, you're going to say the whole word. Listen. Discomfort. What word? Discomfort. I'll say the parts, you say the word, listen. Novelist. What word? Novelist. I'll say the parts, you say the word. Economic. What word? Economic. Next word. I'll say the parts, you say the word. Astonishes. Astonishes. Listen, I'll say the parts, you say the word. Unemployment. What word? Unemployment. Listen, I'll say the parts, you say the word. Independent. What word? Independently. Now for activity B, it's the vowel combinations. So let's look at activity B. You're going to learn some sounds. You may know some of these already. Look at the first box, point to the letter ER. The sound of these letters is usually What sound? Look at the second letters, IR. The sound of these letters is usually What sound? Now let's look at the letters UR. The sound of these letters is What sound? Go back to the beginning of the line. Say the sounds again. What sound? What sound? What sound? That's right. They all say like in her, bird, and turn. Now let's look at the first line. A, ah, a, ah. Now to activity C, vowel conversions. When you are reading words and see these letters, first try the sound. If it doesn't make a real word, then try the name. Let's look at the first letter, O. The sound as in ah is hot. What sound? Ah. What sound? Ah. The name as in locate is O. What name? O. Sound ah. O. Now let's look at the next letter. What sound? Ah, like in cat. What name? A, like in name. A. What sound? What letter? I. Then sound I, like in pig. What name? I, like in pie. Now let's look at the next letter. The next activity, D. In activity D, reading parts of words, you're going to read parts of a real word. Most of these parts are not real words by themselves. Read the first, line 1, read the first word part to yourself. Put your thumb up when you, or in this case, read it to yourself, and then what part? Cur. Next word, look at the vowel with the asterisk. What name? Oh, so it's tro. What part? Tro. Next word part. Read what part? Yawned. 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 Next word part, serve. Serve. Line 2. What name? O. Toe. Strict. Fur. Priz. Ver. Plaint. Turb. Turn. Hib. What name? I. Vi. Surd. Now let's look at activity E. Underlining the vowels in words. Each word part has one vowel. What does each word part have? One vowel. Finding the vowels in a word helps us read the word. Watch me find the vowels in these words. What sound? What sound? A. How many vowels? 2. How many word parts? 2. Tail. But next one. IR. AY. A. Birthday. Let's look at the actual display. Let me look for lesson. Curtail. Birthday. And then the next one, how many? We're underlining the vowel UR. Remember, that's the one we just learned. So it's just one vowel, one word part. Earn. Earn. The next one is AU is one vowel, and this is O. And it's going to say its name. Alto. Next one is underline the vowel. There's 3 of them, so there's 3 word parts. Not. Astronaut. Next word is A and O. How many word parts? 2. Random. Next one, launch. Verdict. Vitamin. Blackbird. Turban. Whirlwind. Pattern. Server. Taunt. That is activity E. So what you'll be doing today is underlining the vowels in the words. Just like here, you're going to be underlining and making those loops, finding those word parts. For activity F, you are going to be correcting the close approximations using context. All you have to do is just listen. Sometimes when we read long words, the word doesn't sound right. Let's see if you can change these words to make sense in a sentence. Listen, I read the word poison. The king was warned that someone might try to poison him. What word should it be? If you're thinking poison, you're right. So we spell it poison, but we know it's poison. The next one is, listen, I'll read the word kindness. The boy carried our bags and we thanked him for his kindness. What word? Kindness. Next one is submarine. The submarine got ready to dive to the bottom of the ocean. But do we say submarine? No, we say submarine. Next one is let me try that one again. It's athletic. The students who love physical education are athletic. But we don't say athletic. We say athletic. Next one. Female. The male and female Students performed equally well on their math test. Do we see female or female? Female. The male and female are students performed equally on their test. And then for the next one, it's activity G. I'm going to go ahead and introduce prefixes and suffixes. Find activity G. You're going to learn more prefixes. Do prefixes come at the beginning or at the end of words? If you're thinking the beginning, you are right. Prefixes come at the beginning. Let's look at the first column. The first word is belong. The prefix is be. Say it, be. The second word, to the next word is deforest. The prefix is D. The third word is reprint. The prefix is re. The next word is prepay. The prefix is pre. The next word is proclaim. The prefix is pro. What we're going to do for this is you're going to be able to practice these with me. Be, com, pro, ab, dis, d. Look at how many prefixes we already learned. And then for activity H, you know it. You're going to be circling prefixes. So the new prefixes and the prefixes we've already started. Prefer, restrict, complain, prohibit. And I'll go ahead and show you what it should look like. If you would like, you should take a screenshot of this right now. Prefer, restrict, complain, prohibit, betray, defraud, detail, insert, cotton, reclaim, decay, disturb. So for activity H, just remember, prefixes come at the beginning. Trace over the loops indicating word parts while you, all right. So go ahead and get started with activity E and activity H. So all you need to do for today is activity E and activity H.